Steps to make pictures into 3D video. Double-click the mouse to open Photoshop software. Open the picture you want to make and remove the unnecessary picture background. After adjusting the image, click on the layer. Click the toolbar in the upper left corner and select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the content you want, and the dotted line will appear on the edge of the content to indicate that it has been selected. After selecting the content, click on the path. Click Create Word Path from Selection. Click Create Word Path from Selection. Click Settings in the upper left corner. Export Word Path. Click Export Path File. Click OK. A new window will pop up. Select the file address to save. And click OK to facilitate finding the exported file later. Open 3D Max software after processing the picture. Import the AI file just created by PS. Select the import file and click OK. If the import is successful, you can see the line pattern. Click the Select and Rotate tool on the toolbar. Click the center line and rotate it 90 degrees. This is to adjust the image to face forward. Click on this model to adjust the image to any angle you want. The computer mouse can control the page zoom size. Select the modified file. Click the second icon, Modify. Find the Extrude function button and click it. After clicking, you'll see the imported file become solid. Enter the desired file thickness. The wireframe view allows you to see the thickness of the file. Adjust it to your preferred thickness. After adjusting the thickness, you can adjust the color. With the file selected, click the Object Color option in the top right corner and choose the color you prefer. Finally, set keyframes for the file to be used for animation effects. Click the Auto Key button at the bottom. Pull the bottom progress bar to the end. Click the Select and Rotate tool on the toolbar. Select the horizontal line in the middle of the file. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the value to 360 degrees. Cancel keyframe selection. Can drag the progress bar at the bottom back and forth to view the keyframe animation. Click the Render Settings button. Click to select the active time period. Set the output size to custom. The recommended size is 800*800. Slide the mouse to find the File button and click it to display a pop-up window. In the pop-up window, select the location where you want to save the file. Save as AVI file. After setting the file name, click Save. A new pop-up window will appear. Confirm 100% uncompressed. Click OK. Once you set up your video, click the Render button. Wait for the video to render and export. When the progress bar is full, the rendering is complete. Next, open the CapCut software. Click Create Project. Find the AVI video exported from 3D Max and import it. This vertical line indicates the current video progress. You can drag this line to view the video progress. The top part represents the video duration in seconds. First, set the video ratio to 1:1. The progress bar shows that the video is a bit short and the speed is too fast. You can adjust the speed of the video. Select the video progress bar. Adjust the transform parameters to adjust the video size. Click Properties, Speed to adjust the video playback speed. You can zoom in and out to this track to check the length and speed of the video. The video's blending options are set to color screen. Next, you can import your favorite video effects. Note that the text progress bar needs to be above the special effect progress bar. Adjust the size of the special effects video. Blending options are screen. After the settings are completed, the two videos are merged. Pull the progress bar to check the progress bar completeness. The lengths of special effect videos are different. Use the split button to delete the extra videos. Finally, export the MP4 video file. Click the Export button and a pop-up window will appear. Select the save location for the exported file, then set the file name. You can adjust the resolution to 1080p. Select MP4 as the format. Finally, click Export. Once the progress bar is full, it means it is successful. Find the file where you set up to save the video, and then open it to view the MP4 video file.